if I have sin 3x times cos 3x, I can simplify it to become, so I don't have to use product rule. Like for example, if I give you y equal to sin 3x times cos 3x. So I don't have to use product rule to get the answer if I can simplify this as something else. Okay, do you know what is the answer? Nafis?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, can I know the answer? We use a double angle formula.
I don't know, miss.
Nafis?
Yes, miss. I don't know.
You cannot say you don't have. It's in yesterday lesson. So you cannot say you don't know. You cannot say you don't have because it's conducted in yesterday lesson.
Sine 3x.
Okay, you say sine 3x. Okay, now, if I give you the double angle formula, the double angle formula is like that. 2. Everything stay the same. But this angle, I have to double it. So you see the difference? This is called a double angle formula. So now, can you please tell me what is the value for this one? How can I simplify this to one single term?
Sine 6x.
Okay, do you see that what is the difference between this one? Is there a 2 there?
No, there's a 1.
So then, can you please tell me what is the answer?
Is it sine 3x?
No, sine 6x is correct. It's correct. But here there is a 2 here. Here is without the 2. So what should I do?
Half.
Yes. You see? So if I turn this to become half sin 6x, then I can find my dy dx. Okay? Okay, can someone tell me what is a dy dx for this? Junjae?
1/2 and then
Okay, 1/2.
negative cos, is it? And then cos
Are you
negative.
sure? No. 1/2. Can you please refer to your note? 1/2. Junjae, 1/2.
Cos 6x.
Okay. Sorry,
Okay.
Sorry. Correct. Cos
6x.
6x. Then after that,
And then times 6 again, is it?
yeah, you are right. So you see, you cannot tell me that you don't know because I taught you the formula and it's your responsibility to go and memorize the formula. Do you get me? Okay. So we also got this, another one that we have to remember. If I have this situation, how can I simplify this? Okay, Marcus?
Yes.
Yeah, may I know what is the simplest form for this? Instead of, if for example, I give you this. So I want you to find dy dx. Okay, so if you want to find dy dx, you can do it straight away, but you have to do chain rule twice. So how can I simplify this? Yes, Marcus?
I'm not so sure.
Cannot be not so sure. Yesterday I've shown you. Please, refer, please. Any formula that I have shown you, you have no right to tell me that I'm not sure. You should have the formula with you. Marcus? Answer, Marcus.
Wait, I'm looking through now. Do I simplify this into cos 2x first?
Yes, you are right. So Marcus, just now you tell me you are not so sure, you are not, you don't know. Can you say that?
No.
Yeah. So you see, that is a reason why some people, they can do well in their exam, you can't. The reason is because the thing that I have taught you, you have to know how where to refer and get the answer. Okay, so this one is another way. So it's also double angle formula. Yeah. So now, so if I have cos square phi x minus sin square phi x, so how am I going to simplify it? Emily?
Miss, can you repeat the question?
How can I simplify this? Based on this formula.
Does this have to relate to double angle formula?
What you mean?
Like, do I have to refer to double angle formula?
The double angle formula is there already. It's on the whiteboard. Can you please refer to your computer? Can you compare the formula? Tell me.
Miss, I cannot find it in my notes.
No, it's on the whiteboard itself.
Miss, can we just change the sign square 5x to cos x squared minus 1?
No. I don't want you to change into that.
Miss, can change into cosine at 10x?
Why not? That is double. You see? Okay. So what is the dy dx for this? What is the dy dx for that? Wenjie. Wenjie?
Oh, yes. Yes, miss.
Yes, what is the dy dx for this?
Negative 10 sine 10x.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
How do you get negative 10 sine 10x? Wenjie?
Yes, miss.
How do you get negative 10 sine 10x?
When you differentiate cos, it becomes negative sine.
Mhm.
Then the 10 came out because you differentiate the 10x.
Thank you. Okay, now. There are certain things that we also have to know. Yesterday, we got talk about differentiating 1 over cos x, correct? Hello? So, in trigo, I can write this as sec x. So next time, if the question asks you to differentiate sec x, you have to change it to 1 over cos, then only use chain rule to do. So remember, sec x is 1 over cos x. 1 over sin x is called cosec x. So if I give you y equal to cosec x, and I want you to find dy dx, so first step, I have to change it to, I know that cosec is 1 over sin. Clear? Then I have to write it into this form. Then I have to find the dy dx using the chain rule. Okay. Can I have someone tell me how to do this? Silvana?
Yes, please.
Yes. Can you please tell me how to do this? How to find the dy dx of this?
Not sure, Miss.
Cannot say not sure. We have done that for this yesterday. Listen here, in my class, anything that I've taught you before, you cannot tell me not sure. Chain rule. Silvana,
Yes, Miss.
tell me chain rule, how to do chain rule.
Bring down the power.
Why double power? Chain rule is like that. I want to find the derivative. I bring down the power. Power take away 1, then time by the derivative of the inside.
So negative 1 multiply sine x, the power of negative 2 multiplied by sine x. No. Yeah, sine x.
How can?
Oh, is it cos
Do you
x?
see? How can be cosec? Do you see here how your friend differentiate this part?
So it's cos x.
Okay. So it become
Negative cos over sine square x.
so you see some of you can't do your work. Do you know the reason why? Every lesson, the important thing that we have done, you must put it down. Your one-page handwritten notes. Okay, now, if I have sin x divided by cos x, I know this is called tangent x. Okay, if I have cos x divided by sin x, this is called cotangent x. So all these are the things that you have to remember, because in the exam, I can give you a question like y equal to tangent x. So if I want to differentiate this, what should I do with the tangent x? What should I do with the tangent x? Clarissa.
Change it to sine cosine.
Yeah, correct. Then if I want to find the dy dx of something divided by something, then what rule should I use?
Quotient.
Quotient. Okay, good. Everyone try quotient rule. In 2 minutes time, I will call someone to do. That means you have to have your u, that is sin x, your v, that is cos x. Are you done?
Miss, 2 minutes is not that fast.
Yeah.
Is it secant square x?
Okay, never mind. Afterward, we will do it. Yeah. Okay, that means you have finished, huh? Okay. May I know what is u prime?
Cosine x.
Okay, I will ask someone to give me the answer. Anzu, you just came in. Can I know what is the derivative of sin x?
Derivative of sin x is is it Wait, I think I got it. Sin x is wait, I don't know.
You cannot say you don't know.
Well, I might have forgot, I think.
You cannot say you forgot. You have your note with you.
Right. I forgot probably. Is it like sin x power of x power of 0 cos x, something like that? I don't know. Something like that. I don't remember teach.
Kelvin,
Yes.
what is the derivative of sin x?
Is it cos?
All right. Okay. Kelvin, can you give me the derivative of cos x?
Sin x?
Sure. Check and see.
Negative
Next,
sin x?
negative.
Yeah, have to be very careful.
Again.
Okay, then we find our dy dx. Okay, can someone tell me what is the dy dx? How to substitute in? Yeah, I'm going to call someone to give me. Okay, Kydrick. Can you tell me?
Sin x, bracket and bracket next to it minus sin x.
Are you sure sin x first? V, what is your V?
Is cos x.
Do you know what is the quotient rule formula?
The u
No.
thing.
Until now, you still can't get the formula. That means you have something wrong with you. I have to be very frank with you. Okay, Hydrick, tell me.
Du prime
What is V here?
uh,
Read the formula back to me.
cos x.
Okay. Cos x.
And times cos x minus sin x times minus sin x.
Divide by?
Divided by cos square. Yeah, cos square x.
Thank you. Okay, can someone tell me what is the value of cos square x plus sin square x?
1, miss.
So is it important to memorize this? So this one is sec square x. So you can write down. If I happen to ask you what is the dy dx of tangent x, you can straight away write down sec square x without going through the quotient rule. Are you clear? So the three important trigo differentiation that you have to memorize will be this. Write down in your notes. These are called the simple rule. So you must have these three formula. There is another one, cotangent. You can go and find it out by yourself. Are you okay? Okay, so everyone can start to do exercise 2H. You have exercise 2H?
Yeah.
Okay, which page of the textbook? Can someone tell me which page?
Hold on. 53.
Stephanie?
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
Which page?
Is page 53?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please go to question 3? G. Can you tell me what is question 3G, Renat? Renat? Renat, what is question
miss.
3G? Yeah, can you give me the question?
Question
I'll read the question.
3G.
Yeah, not you.
Read the question to me.
Question 3G.
Your textbook, page
Never mind.
53.
She didn't set up.
Renat,
Wait, the text.
that means you don't have your textbook with you.
Yeah, sorry, I don't have the textbook.
You see, Renat, if you don't have a textbook with you, how are you going to study? I'm doing all this is to help all of you. You cannot continue to fail your test already. I tell you, you are going to. Leanne, can you give me the question?
Differentiate with respect to x cos bracket cos x.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
But miss, I have a quick question about those formulas above. Hello?
Yes, what do you want?
What happens to the power? Isn't there one of them with the power?
There is no power, okay?
Yeah, okay, well, there was one of them in it, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
So now dy dx. Okay. Anzu, since you are talking, can you tell me if I differentiate cos, what do I get?
Negative sine x.
Okay, correct.
Okay, I got that.
Negative sin. By the way, the angle here is called
Angle.
yeah, cos, whatever inside is the angle.
Yes. Yeah.
So sin what? What should I write down here?
Sine of, hold on.
If my angle is x, I write down x. If my angle is 2x, I write down 2x. If my angle is cos x, I will write down. You see, this is the angle.
Okay, this is the angle, right? Yeah. So
In
It'll
this
be-
case, what is my angle?
it'll be ooh, it'll be like 1. Oh wait, no. It'll be the angle. Crap.
Fx is the angle.
Yeah, fx is the angle, right?
So in this case, what is the name of the angle here?
The name of the angle. It's the derivative of it. So is it
Why
is it
must be red derivative? Okay.
cos x?
Ethan, yeah, thank you.
Oh, there we go.
So I have to write down cos x here.
Yeah.
Then I have to write down the derivative of the angle.
Why?
So what is the derivative of cos x?
Negative sine x.
Yes, you are right.
So then that's it, right?
Yes. I ask you, is it easier for me to just provide the answer than to lead you to the answer? Which is easier? Which is easier in my part? Just provide you with the answer. Am I right?
No, I think it's better to lead us to it. I don't know.
If I just provide you with the answer, exam come out, you won't be able to do.
Right.
Okay. So the rest, I expect you to do it by yourself. Clear? Okay. So exercise 2, page, please do it by yourself. And 2I, if you got trigger, you please do. Okay, so now I want to discuss one question from your. Okay, the review set you also do by yourself. Okay. You still got tomorrow to ask. Okay, so now can we go to chapter 3? Okay, can everyone refer to page 63, question 12. Okay, great. Okay, you have the question?
Yup. I have it right
Yeah.
here.
Okay, Phoebe, can you read the question?
Yes. Show that the curve with equation y equal to cos x over 1 plus sine x does not have any horizontal tangents.
Okay. Whenever you see this type of question, so they ask you to show, correct? So how do you start this type of question? You always you assume there is a horizontal tangent. Okay, and you find it. Are you clear? So that is the, okay, so now, so based on the word horizontal tangent, so what must you do? What do you know about horizontal tangent? Can someone tell me? What do you know about horizontal tangent?
It is parallel to the x-axis.
Okay.
180 degrees.
Okay, parallel to the x-axis. So what? So what? That means that will not help me to solve the problem also.
Is it the dy dx is 0?
Yeah. The gradient is 0. So what is the first thing that you must do with this equation?
Differentiate.
Yes. Do you know how to differentiate this? You should know, correct? Try to differentiate it. So by knowing that horizontal tangent is parallel to x-axis, correct? It doesn't help us. So we have to interpret further. You know how to differentiate, huh? We just learned the quotient rule just now. So your u is cos x. Your v is 1 plus sin x. Got the answer? Are you done? Okay, we do step by step, huh? Okay. U prime. Mikia?
Okay. This is my negative sin x.
Okay, correct. Evin? V prime?
Yes, miss.
V prime?
V prime cos x.
Okay, good. Okay, so my dy dx. Okay, I will call someone else, huh?
Miss, I'm gonna re-enter with another device.
Okay.
Just queue. I
Okay.
think
Ramisa, tell me what is the dy dx? Ramisa?
Yes,
Tell
Miss.
me. Yeah.
Miss, it's cos x.
Okay.
Cos x into cos x.
No. It should be V U prime. You cannot change.
Yes, Miss. Oh, all right. Sorry, Miss. I just told the
Order
UV
must
prime
be
first.
the same. You cannot change the order for quotient. Take away.
UV prime. Cos
tell
x.
me.
Cos x. Cos x.
Divide.
1 plus sine x whole square. 1 plus, yeah, whole square.
Okay. So now I expand. Okay. We know the fact that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to what? Jared?
Equals to 1.
1. So if everything I time by negative, correct? So Jared, what can I do with this one?
You can sub it, make it to -1, -1.
Yes, you are right. So what can I do with this? Okay. So -1 cannot be equal to 0. Am I right?
Yep.
Yes, Miss.
Or
Following.
if you don't want to do like that, what you can do is you also can do it the other way. You assume there is a horizontal tangent, correct? So you put equal to 0. So -1 equal to 0. Is it possible? Possible.
No.
So therefore, no horizontal tangent. Are you clear? That is how you show. Everyone, are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So, because yesterday, the other class, I got discussed about question 12 halfway. So give me another 5 minutes. Okay, I will talk about, you go to page 69, question 12. Are you there? Okay. So they will give you a function fx equal to, okay, can someone give me the function?
1 over cos.
Okay, 1 over cos x. Okay, then part A, they say, for what value of x is fx undefined on the interval? What do you mean by undefined? Can someone explain to me?
There will be 0 at the bottom, or the answer will be infinity, something.
Yeah, so that means when you say undefined means not part of the domain. Correct? So this is a fraction, correct? So I know that cos x equal to 0. If cos x equal to 0, it becomes undefined. So how am I going to solve this? Okay, when you solve trigo, still remember yesterday I got draw this for you. Who still can remember?
Yep.
What is the length of this radius?
1.
1.
Okay, can someone tell me what is the coordinate for A?
1, 0.
1, 0.
Coordinate for B?
0, 1.
Coordinate for C?
Negative 1, 0.
Coordinate for D?
Negative 1, 0, negative 1.
Okay. When the radius is on the x-axis here, what is the angle?
Yeah. 0.
So we know that x coordinate represent the cos of the angle, am I right? Y
Yes.
coordinate represent the sin of the angle, correct? Okay, so now cos x equal to 0. It happened at, okay, if the angle turn until here, what is the size of the angle?
Half a pi.
Okay, if the angle turn until here, what is the size of the angle?
Pi.
If the angle turn until here, what is the size of the angle?
1.5 a pi.
Okay. Correct? Huh?
3 pi out of 2.
Yeah, 1/4 is pi over 2. 3/4 is 3 pi over 2. Okay, if the angle now turn one big circle, come back. So it will become hello, 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 hello. Give me the answer, please.
Is it 2 pi?
Yes. Okay, so now you tell me cos of which angle will give me 0 here? Remember, x coordinate represent cos of the angle. Hello? Which point has the x coordinate of 0?
Even B and D.
B. So what is the angle?
Pi over 2. All that.
Pi over 2 and another one?
3 pi over 2.
So that is what you mean by undefined. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. So part B, you want to know the stationary point, correct? So you have to differentiate this, correct? You see whether I differentiate it correctly or not, huh? Don't bang me. Did I differentiate it correctly? Okay. So you got sin x over cos square x. So stationary f prime x equal to 0. So therefore, sin x equal to 0, correct? Top equal to 0. So sin x equal to 0, x is what? Can tell me which point? Hello?
That would be, what's it called? That would be A and then C.
And C. So A, you got two values, 0. Sorry, not degree, 0. Zero, then C will be pi, then back to A again, 2 pi. So you can find the nature of the stationary point by sketching this graph. Please sketch the graph. Okay? So I will continue this question afterward during the next lesson. Clear? Okay, thank you, class.
Thank you,
Alright,
Miss.
thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you.